Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be bagging my November Essential Rewards order. It's a very small order because in the November and December months I try to scale back my spending to help prepare for the holidays, but I usually focus my orders on items that are good for helping to keep my family above the wellness line, which is important as we go into these cold winter months. Starting in December. So I'm going to share with you these two items, and then I'll share my favorite wellness items that Young Living has. I definitely feel like these are important items to help keep you healthy and well. So the first thing in my bag is this tube right here, and tubes always contain the supplements, and I know what this is. I get this every month starting when I go back to school. I'm a teacher, so I like to keep myself healthy. This helps to support my immune system. Basically, Inner Defense is considered to be like Thieves Essential Oil in a capsule. And so I keep that pretty much from August through May, and then I usually take a break unless I feel like I need additional support. But Inner Defense, it says, contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support. And it says to take one soft gel daily in the morning or one soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 Probiotic 8 hours later. I take all my medicines at night, so I just take it at night before I go to bed. But I do feel like that helps to keep me healthy throughout the year. And then I have just one teeny tiny little tube, and tubes always contain essential oils. And this one that's in here is probably one of my favorites during the winter months, and it is the Raven Essential Oil. And this one is great for supporting the respiratory system and the immune system. And I'll read to you what it says about Raven. It says, Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, Peppermint, Eucalyptus Radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And so this one's great for diffusing. I like to diffuse it at night along with Thieves, but it's also good if you want to take and add it to some coconut oil, and if you're having that feeling where you need some extra support in your respiratory system, you can rub it on your chest. This is good for supporting your breathing and things like that. So that's my sad little 2-item essential rewards order for November, but I thought I'd go ahead and share some of my favorites for supporting my health and wellness. So these two definitely are included in that, but 2 citrus oils that I really like to use these are year-round, but they're great for giving you some extra vitamin C are the orange and the lemon essential oils. These smell great. They diffuse well with all of these other essential oils that I'm going to share with you. So those are great for year-round, but like I said, they give you that added vitamin C. Now, those also come in the Vitality. So here's the orange Vitality, and here is the lemon Vitality. And the difference between these essential oils and these are designed to be added to drinks and food and supplements and things like that. So they are labeled to be ingested. So the best way to add orange and lemon would be you could add orange into a smoothie or your favorite beverage. I like to add a couple drops of this to my Ningxia Red shot that I take daily. And then lemon would be great for adding to like a hot tea and things like that. The next couple of oils are great for supporting the respiratory system, but these 2 that I'm going to share first, well actually these 4, are also good for supporting your muscles. So like when your muscles are kind of sore and they need extra support, you can use these essential oils to rub on with coconut oil, like a muscle rub. And like I said, they're also great for diffusing in the diffuser to help support and open up the airways and support your respiratory system. So of course, peppermint. And then wintergreen. Wintergreen is a great one. This is probably one of my favorite essential oils for supporting the muscle. So those 2 are great for that. I also think they smell good in the diffuser in the wintertime. They just remind me of like the cooler months when you diffuse them in the diffuser. So, and then you have all kinds of eucalyptus essential oils that Young Living offers. So you've got Eucalyptus Globulus, And then you've got Eucalyptus Radiata. Now, I love the smell of them, but they are strong. And let's see. It's like the Eucalyptus Globulus smells a little bit stronger than the Radiata, but let me read to you what it says. So for Eucalyptus Globulus, it says it has an earthy, fresh aroma and is used in many skincare products for its cleansing properties. And then for Eucalyptus Radiata, it says it is loved for its fresh, pungent, and fruity aroma, making it ideal for massage after activity. Diffuse it to promote a stimulating and rejuvenating environment. So, yeah, those are both really good ones. And like I said, all of those could be added to coconut oil and used for to rub on the chest or to support the muscles. So the next few items I'm going to share are essential oil blends, and a blend just means it has multiple essential oils combined together. And so I have to say that one of my favorite essential oil blends for health and wellness is definitely the good old Thieves Essential Oil blend. And then it is also offered in a Vitality. So my husband likes to add the Vitality Essential Oil to his tea. He makes a Thieves tea every morning. But Thieves is just, it smells like Christmas in a bottle. Thieves contains, it was inspired by the legend of the 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. It is a powerful blend that contains naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol, and it contains clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and Eucalyptus Radiata. So, yeah, it's a good one to keep on hand. I actually like to use Thieves and Raven together. So 2 more essential oil blends. I've already talked about Raven, so I'm just going to stick it right here. Another popular one for supporting the immune system and the respiratory system is RC. And many people say that RC stands for respiratory care. It says RC is an ideal complement to the V6 vegetable oil complex for creating a spa-like atmosphere during massage. It can also be used in place of aroma seeds in the raindrop technique. But it contains tons of eucalyptus. It contains Eucalyptus Globulus, Eucalyptus Radiata, Eucalyptus citriodora, myrtle, black spruce, peppermint, pine, lavender, marjoram, and cypress. Now I like this one, but if I have to choose, I always go for Raven. I like the smell of it just a little bit better. So some other support items that the roll-ons here. You have the Breathe Again roll-on, which, like it says, it's definitely going to support your respiratory system. And so Breathe Again contains a lot of eucalyptus in it as well. It says Breathe Again roll-on features 4 types of eucalyptus essential oils, including Eucalyptus Blue, which is grown and distilled at the Young Living Farm in Ecuador. So the ingredients in this roll-on are coconut oil, Eucalyptus staggeriana, Eucalyptus globulus, Eucalyptus radiata, Eucalyptus blue, Laurus nobilis, peppermint, copaiba, myrtle, blue cypress, and rose hip. And so this one is pretty strong, but it smells really good. But this is one that I just pull out if I need some extra support for breathing and my respiratory system. So. And then one of my favorite roll-ons is Deep Relief, and so I think this is good for the winter time because it's good for supporting your muscles. It also has that essential oils that kind of open up the airways and things like that. So let me read to you what that one has in it. Deep Relief, it says, is blended with peppermint essential oil. Deep Relief roll-on creates cooling sensation when applied topically with a fresh aroma that is both invigorating and relaxing. This blend is perfect to keep in your gym bag to use during a workout. And it contains peppermint, coconut oil, Idaho balsam fir, clove, vetiver, wintergreen, lemon, helichrysum, copaiba, and dorado azul. And it just smells really good. And it's so cooling and refreshing. I love that one. Okay, so other support items. Of course, Young Living is well known for its Ningxia Red, which is great. I take 1 to 2 ounces of this daily, usually about 1 ounce, and then I add my favorite Vitality essential oils to it, like grapefruit, orange, lime. Those are some of my favorites to add to my Ningxia Red shot in the morning. And then the Thieves line is perfect for supporting your wellness because you've got the Thieves household cleaner. You only take 1 capful, you add it to a spray bottle, and this cleans everything, and it smells great. It smells like the Thieves Essential Oil. 2 items that I keep around in my purse all the time. You've got the Thieves Spray. This is great for spraying down surfaces, like going to a restaurant, you might want to spray down the table. This is perfect for that. And then they have the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier, which contains peppermint oil too. And this is great for just, you know, rubbing on your hands when you feel like you need to clean your hands and things like that. Of course, another Thieves product, Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, is good to keep in your household. Anything you can do to keep your family healthy, well, is worth it. And then I was kind of thinking about some of the things that, you know, if you do get below the wellness line, some items that are good for you to help support helping you to feel better. And so I really love this Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel because it contains a lot of the essential oils that are great for opening the airways and supporting your respiratory system. So let me share with you what's in that. So it says, Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel will help you feel refreshed every day with the power of pure essential oils, peppermint, lemongrass, and rosemary. Uplift and energize while juniper purifies and cleanses the skin. So I think this is a good one if you're not feeling really good to, you know, just use in the shower. And then this, Ortho Sport Massage Oil. Perfect for supporting muscles, for supporting the respiratory system. I had once heard somebody say that you can use this almost like a chest rub by just applying it to your chest. And so it contains a lot of great essential oils in there. Let me share with you on that. Ortho Sport Massage Oil contains coconut oil, grapeseed oil, wintergreen peppermint, oregano, eucalyptus globulus, elemi, wheat germ oil, vetiver, lemongrass, sweet almond oil, thyme, and olive oil. And so I love to rub it on my shoulders and on my chest, and it just opens everything up and helps to make you feel better. And so, and then Thieves also has, or Young Living also has Thieves cough drops, and these are actually labeled for as a medicine. They're cough drops, and they have menthol, and they're a cough suppressant. So I always keep a bag or 2 of these around. That way when we do get below the wellness line and we have the coughing and the sore throats and things like that, these are perfect. These are good for adults, but they're probably not going to be great for children. So, and then the last thing that I like to use, and I use these all year round, but you know, in the winter cold months, your lips get dry and cracked. So these Young Living Lip Balms are great. This is one of the holiday packs I got one year. And so it has lavender, cinnamon, grapefruit, and there was a vanilla mint in here. But what you can see I've done is I've combined my lip balms into this one little package. But these are great to apply on the lips before bedtime to help keep your lips from getting dry and cracked out. So if you have any questions about Young Living, feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll leave in the description box my membership number. You can order Young Living products using that membership number. You can order it as a retail customer, or if you sign up as a member by purchasing a diffuser, you get a 24% discount off of all their products. So, but if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll share my December Essential Rewards order in the next week or so. Talk to you later. Bye.